Hi, I'm Rolf, and you're watching Getting It Hot with Rolf. On today's menu, we're going to smoke a couple of chickens. I've got my seasoning all mixed up. You'll find the ingredients and quantities in the description. We started by I pulled the chicken out of the bag in a pan, collect all the juices. I trimmed off the excess skin and fat off of around the neck and the other end. Then I worked my fingers in under the skin around the breast. I'm going to do that to the other one here. Just take your time, get in the groove there. Why are we doing this? Because we're going to season under the skin, and then we're going to put some bacon in there. And I already got my dry hand wet. So first thing we're going to do is grab the seasoning. And we like to go up high with the cameras in the way, so when you go up high you get a more even coating generally. And as always, I pat my seasoning in. You don't need a binder. I just lightly hit the chicken with some paper towels to get some of the moisture off. Use them on the back side of the wings, of course. And we gotta get some under the skin there. Push it in there. And while we got it this way, might as well stuff the bacon in. Use thick cut slices of bacon. Cut them down about 2 inches. You're going to add to the flavor, and the fat's going to render and keep this guy nice and moist. Get in there. Like so is good. Some for the other side. Get it back. You want to get some down there, all the way in the back there by the thigh. The thigh's got plenty of fat in them anyway. They can handle a high temperature all by themselves. I destroyed the seasoning. We'll add some more. Pat it in. Pat it in. And we give them a flip. Of course, we need some on the inside, in the cavity. Alrighty. And inside, you got it, more bacon. And we'll see if we can get a half a lemon in there. And today I'm using Vidalia onion. make another slice of bacon. That couldn't hurt anything, right? Yeah, make it two. One for each side there. Huh. Look at that, we got an opening there. Let's put some bacon in there. May as well put some over here. Okay. And we're going to call that one ready for smoker. And do up the other one, and we'll see outside a little bit. As suspected, I'm only going to have room for the one chicken in here unless I hang them, and I'm not hanging them. Let's get the wings tucked under a little bit there. Said get tucked under. And we'll see you in a little while. Well, a long while. Okay, we're about an hour into this cook. So we're gonna rotate them around a little. She's getting a little too brown over yonder. And we'll be back. See how this is doing here. We need a little bit more. Look at the juice. Now, if only somebody could pull a glove off for me. Let me put you down. These always are in further than you think they are. Got a juice in that breast. Beautiful. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Have a great day.